everyone, welcome to AM Food Court. Today I am going to make spicy curry chicken. Ingredients needed are 2 pounds bone-in chicken. If you like, you can take boneless chicken. 2 medium onions cut into small pieces. 2 medium tomatoes cut into small pieces. Salt, black pepper powder, garam masala, red chili powder, yogurt, coriander powder, ginger garlic crushed, fennel seed powder and turmeric powder. All these spices are available in Indian store. Now let's start preparing. First place the pan on the stove and let the pan heat. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons oil. Now I'm going to turn the flame into low and add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, and then saute it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic crushed. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add onion. Put the flame into medium and saute it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the onion gets like this, turn the flame into low. Now let's add the rest of the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 2 tablespoons red chili powder. And saute it for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add tomatoes. And cover with the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Then open the lid, add the chicken pieces, mix it well. Put the flame into medium and cook for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check. Our chicken curry is almost ready. Now we can add the final ingredient, 3 tablespoons yogurt. Okay, mix it well. Let's see how it tastes. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. It's very tasty. All the flavors and spices are in the right amount. I'm going to transfer it into a serving dish. Now I'm going to garnish it with the cilantro leaves. If you like this recipe, please do like and share. Thank you for watching.